Keto diet tips for beginners. Keto is the new word going around. It describes a diet in which you drastically limit carbohydrates and let your body run on fats. The ketogenic diet is making waves in the diet community these days. For many, it seems to offer lasting results, a stable, healthy weight, and a satisfying relationship with food. If you too have thought about giving it a go, or if you have just recently launched into your new keto diet, here are top 12 tips below on how to do keto for absolute beginners. Tip 1. Start weighing your food. As you eat more fat-rich foods, you will also need to eat less. This is because fat is very dense and a little goes a long way. So your portion sizes will change a lot, and it might be good to figure out exactly how much you need by weighing your food before you eat or prepare it. Tip 2. Batch cook. A large part of getting used to a new diet is organization. Planning your meals ahead for the week, not only will you know exactly what's in them and be able to calculate your macros, but you will also make it much easier for yourself to avoid the temptation of eating something else. So prepare large batches of meals, put them in your fridge, and refrain from eating anything that you haven't made yourself. Tip 3. Avoid eating out. Cook as much as possible. Eat out as little as possible. This is the real secret to sticking to a keto diet long term. Tip 4. Take a keton supplement. There are a couple of supplements called exogenous ketones which you can consume and which help put your body in ketosis mode. Invest in a supplement and see results from your ketogenic diet faster. Tip 5. Get plenty of sleep. For the keto diet to work, your body will need to switch its functioning to a state called ketosis, meaning it is able to burn fat as its source of energy. This will not happen if you are sleep deprived. Try sleeping the recommended 8 hours or simply to increase your usual sleep period to maximize the benefits of the keto diet faster. Tip 6. Drink more water. Less carbohydrates being present in your body means that it will retain less water. This means that you need to be more careful about staying hydrated throughout the day. So carry a water bottle with you and make sure to drink from it regularly. Tip 7. Don't forget your vegetables. Eating more fat-rich foods is great, but you should also focus on eating nutrient-dense foods, such as leafy green vegetables like spinach or kale, or cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower. These contain tons of vitamins and minerals which are essential to help you feel the best you can. Tip 8. Know what counts as a carb. Not every carb looks like one. You may not think of milk or ketchup as carbs, but they are. So read up on everyday ingredients you consume and learn their macros. Tip 9. Cut out artificial sweeteners. Although artificial sweeteners contain close to no calories and are not technically a carb, their effects on the body is similar to that of sugar. Further, they only sustain your sugar habit, which you should aim to kill while on keto. Tip 10. Get a keto diet tracker app. There are dozens of apps on the market which you can use to keep track of your macros and of what you're eating. So choose the best one for you and learn to use it to make your keto diet that much easier. Tip 11. Get some keto snacks. Sooner or later you will get the urge to snack. So be prepared with homemade or store-bought keto-friendly snacks which you can carry with you everywhere. Examples include olives and jerky. Tip 12. Join the keto diet community. Join forums, Facebook groups or any online community dedicated to new keto dieters and engage with others. This will help you keep motivated, give you answers to any questions you may have, and help you find a place to share all the new keto diet recipes you are trying out. These keto diet tips for beginners should give you a solid foundation to embark on your keto journey. Starting on this new ketogenic diet is the hardest part, but keep at it, and you will see what everyone has been raving about. Our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends.